35 of your science books, hurry up. G. So we have to start today from feeding habits in animals. Okay. In the previous lesson, we have studied about breathing in animals. That how do animals breathe? We have studied that different animals or insects have different breathing organs for breathing, for the purpose of breathing. Now we will study today in this lecture about the feeding habits in animals. That how do animals feed? Feed means to eat. How do animals eat? Feeding habits means eating habits in animals. How do animals eat? Okay, I will read, do you know, at the end. So feeding habits in animals, all living things need food to grow, to get energy, and to stay healthy. So now all living things need food to grow, to get energy, and to stay healthy. Different animals eat different types of food. Their body and mouth parts are suited to the food they eat. Means every animal has a special kind of a body and mouth parts which are suited to the food they eat. Like herbivores, they have teeth according to the grass or plants that they eat. Okay, and carnivores have the teeth which are suited to tear the flesh. So these are the they have different animals have different mouth parts because they are likely to tear the food. That's why. So firstly, organs of feeding. What are organs of feeding with which animals will eat? So what are organs of feeding? These are teeth. Like they have shown you over here, teeth of a cow, teeth of a rat, teeth of a dog. So herbivores. Herbivores are animals which eat grass. Animals which feed on grass, they are called grass, or plants, they are called herbivores. So herbivores like cows and horses have sharp front teeth or incisors. जो front teeth होते हैं उनको हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Incisors. The front teeth are also known as incisors. You can underline. Yes, front teeth or incisors. So herbivores have strong front teeth for cutting the plants, for cutting the food, for cutting the grass. They also have strong and broad molars for chewing. And molars are on either side of the uh, jaws, okay, or either side of the face. So they have strong and broad molars for chewing. Means they chew with the help of these molars. Okay, rodents. So herbivores are grass eating animals. They're herb. From herb we can understand herb means like a plant. Herb means like a plant. So herbivores means which eat plants, which eat grasses. So like cows, horses, they have sharp front teeth or incisors for cutting the plants. They also have strong and broad molars for chewing. So they chew with the help of these molars. Now rodents. What are rodents? Rabbits, rats, squirrels. These are rodents. Have you seen the teeth of rodents? Okay. If you have seen the teeth of a squirrel or rabbit, they seem to be alike. वो एक ही तरह के दिखते हैं. They have long and sharp front teeth to gnaw the seeds and fruits. Gnaw means होता है कतरना. Like they gnaw the seeds and fruits. ठीक है, वो उसको जो है वो टेयर नहीं कर सकते, उसको gnaw करते हैं. And they eat like gnawing the seeds and fruits. So these are the organs of feeding. Like herbivores, we have studied that herbivores have sharp incisors, sharp front teeth for cutting the plants, and rodents have sharp front teeth to gnaw the seeds and fruits. So they eat the seeds and fruits. Okay, have you seen squirrel? Squirrels mostly eat seeds. Squirrels mostly eat seeds. So these are called rodents. Rodents gnaw their food. Now carnivores. Carnivores means to say carnivores are animals which eat the meat. Carnivores, animals which eat the meat. They are called carnivores. Okay, now you can see in this picture, there in this picture different animals are shown in this picture. Like as you can see this giraffe. What is it eating? Yes, Ibra, can you tell me?
Teacher, what did you ask?
What is it eating, this giraffe?
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
What is it eating? What is the giraffe eating? Yes, Irshad, you can answer.
Leaves.
Yes, Irshad, turn on your camera. जी, what is it eating? क्या खा रही है?
Teacher, leaves.
Yes, it is eating the leaves. Similarly, this one is also eating the leaves. So both are. ये क्या हो गए फिर? Both are. Who will answer me? Herbivores,
Giraffe.
rodents. Means both are herbivores, carnivores, or rodents. किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं? They are eating the leaves. So
Herbivores.
yes, so they are herbivores because herbivores eat grass, herbivores eat leaves, herbivores eat plants. G. So now what is it, this crocodile doing? What does it eat? It eats the meat. It eats the meat. So it is also a carnivore. Okay, now you can see this one. This is a cow and it is feeding on the grass. So it is also a herbivore. What is the lion doing? He is also eating the meat. He is also eating flesh. So it is also a flesh eating animals. Any meat eating animals, they are called carnivores. Can you see this bird? Now this bird is eating the grains. This bird is feeding on the grains. So each and every animal has its specialty, has its own kind of special feature, special kind of teeth for gnawing the food, for eating the leaves, for feeding on the flesh, for tearing the flesh. So they have different kinds of teeth. Like this squirrel. Can you see this squirrel? Look at this squirrel. Look at this rabbit. Can you see their front teeth? You know, now they are gnawing. Can you see this squirrel? They are gnawing the food. They are gnawing the seeds and fruits. Can you see this rabbit? It is also eating the fruit. And how is it doing it? Basically, he is gnawing the fruit. He's gnawing the carrot. Okay, so these are the different feeding habits of animals. So now we have to study today about herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. What are herbivores? Herb means plants. Herb is related to plant. Herb means plants. Means plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Carnivores meaning flesh-eating animals. Carnivores mean meat-eating animals. For example, lions, tigers, they have sharp, pointed, and curved front teeth. उनके कैसे teeth होते हैं? Sharp, pointed, and curved. थोड़े से curved होते हैं, as you can see. Can you see? These are the sharp, pointed teeth. Basically, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Grinding teeth. They are called grinding teeth at the back to chew the flesh. At the back, they have also grinding teeth to chew the flesh. Or at the front, they have very sharp, pointed, and curved teeth. Can you see? These are very sharp, pointed, and curved. Also this one. These are very sharp, pointed, and curved teeth. And why are they here? To tear the flesh, to tear the flesh. They have these kind of teeth to tear the flesh. So these are called carnivores. What are herbivores? Can you see? Horse. What are they showing you? Horse, kangaroo, and so they only eat plants and plant material. Herbivores may eat fruits, roots, or even tree bark. Tree bark जो दरख्तों की शाखें होती है ना, वो भी ये खा सकते हैं. They can also eat the tree bark. So they usually need to eat often during the day in order to have enough energy. मतलब इन्हीं डे में ये ज्यादातर खाते रहते हैं ताकि इनमें एनर्जी आ सके. What do they eat? What do herbivores eat? The herbivores eat grass. Now talking about the next, omnivores. अभी हमने omnivores पे जाना है. So firstly we have studied herbivores, rodents. Rodents भी मैंने आपको दिखा दिए. These are called rodents. Now you see the rodents. As you can see in this picture, they are gnawing the fruits and seeds. They are gnawing the fruits and seeds. So they have teeth. They have sharp front teeth to gnaw the seeds and fruits. Now carnivores. Carnivores, as I have told you in this picture, like lions, tigers, jackals, they eat flesh of other animals. They have sharp and strong grinding teeth to chew the flesh and crush the bones. As you can see in this picture, they have very sharp, pointed, curved teeth to to tear the flesh, and then they have very strong grinding teeth. Grind करना होता है किसी चीज को, grind कर देना means even कर देना. At the back to chew the flesh. इनके back पे क्या होते हैं? Grinding teeth होते हैं to chew the flesh, ताकि ये flesh को chew कर सके. chew करना. Okay. Students, your cameras are turned off. Turn on your cameras, all of you. All of you turn on your cameras and be attentive towards the lecture. Hurry up. G. So birds of prey. Birds of prey means like birds which eat by preying, जो कि शिकार करती हैं, like eagles, kites. Can you see these pictures on your books? These pictures are being in your books. Kite, eagle. These are the birds have strong, sharp and hooked beak. Hooked beak कैसी होती है? इसकी आप beak देखें. इसकी beak, just look at its beak. Hooked beak. यानी एक hook की, जैसे कोई hook होता है ना, like that. It is like a hook. So hooked beak and claws. और इनके क्या होते हैं? Claws होते हैं. Claws क्या होते हैं? Means like जैसे हमारे नाखून होते हैं ना, like we have nails. Similarly, they have claws. Instead of nails, they have claws to catch, hold and tear the flesh. So when they fly and when they detect their food, so just they fly over to that place, they catch their food, they hold their food and then they tear the flesh. Yes, Ibra, do you want to ask something?
Teacher, I wanted to ask that dolphins are carnivores or herbivores? Dolphins.
Dolphins are basically herbivores. They don't eat meat. Whales and sharks, they are like carnivores. Okay, so dolphins are herbivores. So many aquatic animals like sharks too are carnivores. Sharks भी क्या होती हैं? Carnivores ही होती हैं. They are also carnivores. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. What do they have? Sharks के क्या होते हैं? Strong jaws and sharp teeth. Like in this picture, they have shown you a whale. Whale is a mammal. So mammals have which organ for breathing? Can anyone tell me? Mammals have which organ for breathing?
Teacher, they have holes on their back, which they come up.
Which organ? Which organ they have for breathing?
Here they have like holes on their back.
Holes तो उनके होते ही हैं, but they have lungs. Basically, they have lungs.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do they breathe inside the water? क्योंकि water में तो मतलब like वो सांस नहीं ले सकते ना, क्योंकि obviously if they open their mouth, water will go inside. So how do they breathe? They have blowhole on either side of their head. Can you see this?
That's that they live on the upper layer of the sea.
No. I'm telling you, they have blowhole on either side of their heads. When they want to breathe, means when they are having a deficiency of oxygen in their body, what do? They come out to the surface of water, then they breathe, and they breathe much as compared to human beings. They have a much capacity for having air, okay, in their lungs. So they can exchange more air with each breath. So when they come out on the surface of water, they expel the water or they expel the, like means to say they expel the water which is collected inside their body out of this blowhole. Can you see this blowhole? They expel the water out of this blowhole. Means जब वो surface पे आते हैं तो इस blowhole में से सारा पानी बाहर निकल जाता है जो उनके अंदर जमा हुआ होता है. And then in comparison to human beings, the whales can hold their breath for a longer time and they can exchange more air with it. Then whales go inside the water again. They breathe in the air and then they go inside the water. And then what are they telling you? That in comparison to human beings, whales can hold their breath for a longer time. Whales have more capacity that they can hold their breath for a longer. वो ज़्यादा देर तक अपने सांस को रोक सकती हैं. ठीक है? And they can exchange more air with each breath. So it means their lungs are very strong. They can hold their breath for a long time and they can exchange more air with each breath. So now again to the topic I was telling you. Gee, many aquatic animals, as I was telling you about sharks, they are carnivores. Similarly, whales are also carnivores. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Now, insects. In the last, I want to tell you about insects and omnivores के भी बारे में हमने अभी पढ़ना है. I think it's given over here or not? चलिए अगर नहीं भी है तो मैं आपको वैसे ही बता देती हूँ for your information कि omnivores क्या होते हैं. Omnivores like human beings which can eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. ठीक है, जो कि दोनों plants भी खा सकते हैं और animals को भी eat कर सकते हैं. They are called omnivores. But this is not included in your books. So आप लोग herbivores और carnivores को ही अपने जहन में रखें कि herbivores ये सारे omnivores मैंने आपको दिखाया. ठीक है. Herbivores क्या होते हैं? They only eat plants and animals material. They may eat fruits, even tree barks. They can eat tree barks. ठीक है. So, and carnivores, as we have studied about carnivores, that they have very sharp, pointed and curved teeth. So, so they have grinding teeth at the back to chew the flesh. Okay, now I want to ask you about herbivores, carnivores. What do you understand? But first, I will also tell you about the insects. Insects like mosquitoes and butterflies, as they have shown you these two pictures of mosquito and butterfly. What are they telling you? That they have which kind of a proboscis? Proboscis is the front tube. They have a feeding tube. You know that mosquitoes suck blood and butterflies suck nectar. So both of them do their feeding through sucking. जी. So जो insects हैं like mosquitoes हैं, butterflies हैं, इनकी क्या होती है? Proboscis होती है to suck liquids. Like mosquitoes can suck blood and butterflies can suck nectar. So they have a very sharp, long needle-like proboscis. आपको पता है ना इनकी जो front needle-like क्या होती है? Proboscis होती है. और butterflies की जो है वो coiled proboscis होती है, यानी थोड़ी सी coiled यानी थोड़ी सी twisted होती है. So इसी वजह से हम इनको क्या हम इसके ये किस कैटेगरी में आएंगी? इंसेक्ट्स की कैटेगरी में. दैट बोथ ऑफ them have a sucking proboscis through which they suck blood and nectar. Okay. So these are the insects. Now, Ibra, I want to tell you that about the dolphin, as you have asked me, that dolphins are basically carnivores. They are not herbivores. They are meat eaters. Okay, smaller dolphins eat fish and squares. Means they eat other animals which live in the sea. Understand? They eat other animals. They feed on other animals which are living in the sea. So all of them are carnivores, whales, dolphins, and sharks. Okay, so now I want to ask you about herbivores and carnivores. Yes, who will tell me? Raise your hands. Okay, what is the picture telling you? Who will tell me about this picture? One by one about the animals. Yes. Yes, Marij, you can tell me. Ji Umar, turn on your camera.
Make this picture tell me these are the animals and some is carnivores, some is uh,
Some.
herbivores,
Ji.
and
Okay, what is lion? What is lion?
lion is carnivore.
Lion is a carnivore. What is this?
It is a giraffe and it is herbivore.
Herbivore, ठीक है. What is it? Cow.
Uh, it is a cow and is herbivore.
Herbivore. Okay, next student. Ji. Dua. Yes, Dua, tell me. What are they showing you about these two animals? What are they eating? This one and this one. Yes, Dua. जी दुआ आंसर करें. What are the two eating? Dua, I'm watching that you are not answering my questions, okay? You never answer any question. Why? Okay, Umar, you can answer. जी इब्रा आप बताएं.
Yes, teacher.
इन टू एनिमल्स के बारे में. What can you tell me? What are they telling you?
Teacher, there's a rabbit eating a carrot, and it's a herbivore, and there's a
It's a rodent. It's a rodent. It has a different category. It's a rodent. And this one?
it's a rodent too, and it's a squirrel, and
Yes,
it's
it's
eating
a
an
squirrel.
apple. It's a squirrel, and it's eating the apple, and it's a herbivore.
It's also a rodent. They both are rodents because they gnaw. They have sharp front teeth. Can you see these teeth? So they have this kind of a teeth for gnawing their food. Okay. Okay. And now I want to ask about the next picture. Yes, who will tell me about herbivores? Now, what are herbivores? Yes, who wants to tell me? Raise your hands.
Teacher,
Ji Marij. Yes, Marij.
Herbivore are cow and
नहीं होते क्या
elephant.
है? What do they eat? What do they eat?
They eat leaves.
Yes, they eat
Eat
leaves, they eat
plants.
plants, good. They eat grass, so they are herbivores. Okay, who will tell me about, and they have which kind of a teeth for eating? Which kind of teeth do they have?
What kind of teeth? Mm,
Incisors or canine teeth? Which teeth do they have for eating?
incisor.
Yes, they have front teeth which are called incisors. For eating their food, they have front teeth. Okay, which teeth do carnivores have? Now, who will tell me which teeth do carnivores have?
teacher,
Ji, who wants to tell me which teeth do carnivores have?
I.
Ji Umar, can you tell me which teeth do carnivores have? कौन से teeth नजर आ रहे हैं आपको?
तुम्हें पानी है?
They have pointed and canine sharp teeth.
They have pointed and canine teeth. Canine means
Canine
very.
teeth.
They have very sharp teeth, which are called canine teeth. ठीक है? They have teeth have categories, na, incisors, molars, premolars, and canine. So they have canine teeth for tearing the flesh. So, and we have studied also about the insects like mosquitoes and butterflies. So what do we have studied about insects? What do they have for feeding? What do they suck? What do mosquitoes suck? Jibra, you can tell me.
Teacher, what did you ask?
I asked, what do mosquitoes have for feeding? They have this proboscis. They have long needle-like proboscis to feed, to suck the liquids. And butterflies also have proboscis. Both have proboscis. The difference is mosquitoes feed blood and butterflies feed on nectar. Okay, I will ask again later now. I will ask again later now about this. G, now open the next page. That is about movement in animals. It's very easy topic. In this topic we will discuss that how animals move, what do they have for movement. Okay, what do human beings have for movement? What do we have for movement? Can anyone tell me? जी क्या होते हैं हमारे पास? Arms and legs. We have legs for moving and we have arms for holding things. So we have arms and legs. इसी तरह से अब हमने animals में movement discuss करनी है. What do animals have for movement? Obviously, animals also have legs for movement. Some of them have 4 legs. Some of them can move only on 2 legs. So, animals move from one place to another place in search of food, to find shelter, to protect themselves from enemies. They have limbs or other body parts which help them to move. Limbs, what do we mean by limbs? Limbs meaning arms or legs. Limbs means arms or legs. They have which body part for moving? Limbs. Limbs means arms or legs. Okay, now we have to start from movement in land animals. And land animals are animals which live on land. Animals which live on land are called land animals. So many land animals have 4 limbs. Okay, can you see these pictures? All these animals are having 4 limbs. 4 limbs है ना इनके, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. 2 legs at the front, 2 legs at the back. अब ये देखें horse की picture देखें. Look at this horse. The front limbs are called 4 limbs. अब देखिए जो इसकी front limbs है, ये जो आगे वाली है, these are called 4 limbs, and the back limbs are called hind limbs. So some use all the 4 limbs to move, some use only the hind limbs. अब कुछ जो है वो 4 limbs ही use करते हैं movement के लिए, means they run on all their 4 limbs, like these horses. जैसे cows हो गई, goats हो गई, horses हो गए, all of them use their 4 limbs to move, and some only use the hind limb. जैसे देखिए, now you can see this one, like this kangaroo, it is standing on its hind limbs. अब ये किस पे खड़ा है? अपनी back limbs पे खड़ा है ना, hind limbs पे खड़ा है, 2 पिछली टांगों पे. And the 2 at the front are used to do other things. So some use all the 4 limbs, like as you can see, these horses, these bears, they are using all their 4 limbs to move. Some use only the hind limbs. Some animals stand or rest on their hind limbs and hold things with it. जैसे ये kangaroo है. अब kangaroo जो है, it is also standing on its hind limbs. It is resting on its hind limb and it is using its 4 limb. ये अपनी आगे वाले जो हाथ है या अपने जो limbs है वो किस लिए use करता है? To hold things. Now you can see this monkey. Monkeys use their four limbs to climb, okay, to move from one place to another, and they use their hind limbs to rest on. ठीक है, तो वो अपने रेस्ट करने के लिए अपने हाइंड लिम्स यूज करते हैं और अपने होल्ड करने के लिए फोर लिम्स. जैसे ये इसने ब्रांच को होल्ड किया है ना, दिस मंकी इज होल्डिंग अ ब्रांच विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स four limbs. This monkey is holding branch with the help of its four limbs, and it is standing on its hind limbs. Okay, now we have to study that which kind of feet do they have. Ab herbivores and sheep walk on all four limbs. Monkeys and kangaroos use their forelimbs to hold things and stand on their hind limbs. कि ये stand किस पे करते हैं? अपनी hind limbs पे, और hold किस से करते हैं? अपने forelimbs. Okay, what do herbivores have? Which kind of feet do they have? They have hooves. What do they have? They have hooves. And what do these hooves do? These hooves are there to travel long distance in search of plants. Hooves जो हैं वो एक तरह के जो है वो foot होते हैं, जैसे camels के होते हैं, जैसे horses के होते हैं. All of them have hooves to travel long distance in search of plants. Most of them are short-footed and can move in rough terrains. क्या मतलब है कि ज़्यादातर क्या होते हैं? Short-footed होते हैं and can move in rough terrains. These are the kind of feet which I will discuss now in the next class. Okay. Ostrich, kiwi, and emu are flightless birds. Means कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा flight नहीं कर सकती. Just ये हल्का सा you can say fly मतलब like jump कर सकते हैं, but they cannot fly. So these are flightless birds. You can underline ostrich, kiwi, and emu are flightless birds. They can jump, but they cannot fly. Like proper flying होती ना, वो ये नहीं कर सकते. जैसे chicken है. Chicken can also not fly. So these are flightless birds. They use their hind limbs to run fast. And they run on their hind limbs. They run on their hind limbs. Okay? जैसे आप देखो ostrich, kiwi और emu. ये किस पे run कर रहे हैं? Hind limbs. So herbivores have hooves to travel long distance, and most of them are short-footed and can move in rough terrains. Okay, we will now discuss movement in aquatic animals in the next topic. G. So now, who will tell me about movement in land? Now I am unmuting all of you, so you can ask me anything if there is any problem. G, if you didn't understand anything, you can ask me.
What to put in this? Kiwi is herbivore.
G?
Kiwi is herbivore.
Yes. Kiwi,
खत्म हो गई तो क्लास खत्म हो गई.
ये क्या है?
kiwis are basically omnivores, and omnivores are which can eat both plants and animals. So they are omnivores. Kiwis are omnivores. Okay. Okay, students. Now, can you tell me about the forelimbs and hind limbs?
This horse and sheep walk on.
Yes, Umar. Can you tell me what are forelimbs? Yes, क्या होते हैं? Limbs क्या होते हैं? Limbs क्या होते हैं? Human beings में limbs क्या कहलाएंगे? हमारे limbs क्या हैं? What are our limbs?
These limbs are called legs.
Limbs are legs and arms. हमारे में limbs क्या है? Legs और arms. Legs for movement and arms for holding things. आप चीजें किससे पकड़ते हैं? Arms के जरिए. इसी तरह से animals में They also have forelimbs and hind limbs, means उनके भी legs और arms ही होते हैं. अब some uses both their hind limbs and forelimbs for walking and moving, and some only uses their hind limbs to move and forelimbs to hold things. जी अब मुझे बताएं what are forelimbs?
Here I know.
Yes, tell me.
Teacher, folding the call our arms and our legs.
Yes, forelimbs are for
Forelegs are called arms and legs.
forelimbs are for front
Their
legs.
arms and
Forelimbs
legs.
means yes, arms. Forelimbs means front legs, and therefore holding things. Yes, who can tell me about hind limbs? Hind limbs are G. Who will tell me about hind limbs? G, why you have muted you? Unmute yourself. Yes, can anyone tell me about hooves? What are hooves?
Miss, herbivores have hooves. Those are used for long distance.
G,
For
herbivores have yes,
long
herbivores
jump.
have hooves to travel long distance. G, do you want to ask something? So we have studied movement. Why movement is necessary for animals? Why do animals move?
Fatma, want to ask something का क्या मतलब होता है?
Why do animals move?
Want to ask something का मतलब क्या होता है? ओ, क्या पूछूं?
Okay, Bra, you can tell me. जी students. Okay, मुझे बताएं what are herbivores?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Teacher, herbivores are the animals that eat grass and leaves.
G. Herbivores are the animals that eat grass and leaves. Yes. And what are carnivores?
Carnivores are the animals with the animals which eat meat.
Yes,
Other
animals which eat meat are called carnivores. Okay. So who will tell me about rodents? What do rodents eat? Who
teacher,
will tell me about
rodents.
rodents? Students, you have to read. Your homework is that you are not attentive. Class 5, you have to do reading from starting from page number 33 till page number 35. And I will ask till page number 35. And Dua, Umar and every